The Apollo Cochlear Implant Clinic in Hyderabad was started in 1994. It was the first in South India. With more than 1,000 implants being done up to date, it has grown to be one of the largest pediatric implant clinics in South Asia.
We all know that hearing loss is an invisible handicap and a social stigma. Especially in children, this becomes a double-edged problem that they will not be able to listen as well as learn to speak. In India, if we see, this hearing loss is almost 3 to 4 people per 1,000 live births, and almost 2,500 children are born totally deaf. And all these children, they would be needing cochlear implantation at their earliest age.
The clinic consists of a multidisciplinary team which has special expertise in implanting very young children, including infants.
Cochlear implant is an electronic device used for patients with severe to profound hearing loss. Unlike hearing aids, which are acoustic devices, a cochlear implant stimulates the nerve fibers present in the cochlea directly. A child who is born profoundly deaf, if identified below 3 years, can achieve normal speech and language hearing.
After cochlear implantation surgery, the external device will be switched on. When the external device is on, the child will start listening to it. So they may not be able to discriminate between what is speech and what is environmental sounds. To make them understand the language as like us, they have to attend habilitation program. And habilitation program mainly concentrates on listening and language skills, where pictures and toys are used according to their age.
Most of our implanted children are in the age group of 1 to 3 years. Early implantation provides exposure to sounds that can be helpful during the critical period when children learn speech and language skills. And by this way, they'll be able to attend mainstream schools.